friends, welcome back to my channel Maths Made Easy. So let's continue with our topic on multiple angles part 9. So we'll begin with question number 46. So here comes question number 46. So we have a question. Prove that cos cube b plus cos cube 120 degree minus b plus cos cube 120 degree plus b is equal to 3 over 4 cos 3b. So solution. So before we begin, we must know formula. Some formulas that we require over here. So the formula is cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, and on simplification of this formula we'll get this one. I hope this is clear. Now let's continue with left hand side. So in left hand side we have copied the question. So now what we will do is, had here been 4 in front of cos cube b, we could have applied this formula. So we'll multiply this with 4, here also with 4, here also with 4. So on multiplying all these three terms by 4, we will get 4 cos cube b plus 4 cos cube 120 degree minus b plus 4 cos cube 120 degree plus b. Am I clear? And since we have multiplied by 4, we should balance by dividing 4. Is this clear? Now you can check over here. It is 4 cos cube b, and we know 4 cos cube a is 3 cos a plus cos 3a. So we'll apply formula over here. Similarly, here also 4 cos cube 120 minus b, we can consider it as a single angle. Similarly, here is 120 plus b. This 120 plus b is also considered as a single angle. Am I clear? So in next line, we'll copy 1 by 4 as it is. Now 4 cos cube b. 4 cos cube b is 3 cos b plus cos 3b. So 3 cos b plus cos 3b. Now similarly, it is 4 cos cube 120 minus b. We'll consider it as a single angle, let's say theta. So it is 4 cos cube theta. Again 4 cos cube theta is 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta. So same thing, we have applied formula over here. It is 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta. And same thing in the last term, we have applied the formula. Thereafter in next line, what we will do is, here we have 3 cos 120 degree minus b, and here we have 3 cos 120 degree plus b. We'll keep them together, and then we will keep cos 3 120 minus b and cos 3 120 plus b together. So that is what in next line we have done. We have copied this first two terms as they are, and then we have arranged this with this one. Clear? And thereafter these two terms we have copied at last. And in the next line, what we will do is, we will just take 3 and 3 common from here. That is common. And in bracket we are left with cos 120 degree minus b plus cos 120 plus b. And here you can check over here. It is 3 inside bracket 120 minus b. This 3 will multiply 120 as well as b. So ultimately we will get 360 minus 3b. And then we will get over here 360 plus 3b. Is this clear? After this, so now over here we have cos a minus b. Cos a minus b formula. Here is cos a plus b. So you must remember the formula of cos a minus b and cos a plus b before we continue from here. So what is the formula of cos a minus b and cos a plus b? Okay, let's recall back. Formula for cos a plus b is cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. And the formula for cos a minus b is cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. I hope this is clear. So we will use this formula over here. So in next line, these two terms copied as it is, 3 as it is. Now cos 120 minus b, it is in the form of cos a minus b. So cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. Similarly, it is cos a plus b. Cos a plus b is cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. Now I have mentioned here cos 3b and cos 3b. I didn't mention this cos 360 minus 3b, cos 360 plus 3b. Can you guess why? Because we have learned that cos 360 minus a is cos a. Similarly, cos 360 plus a is also cos a. That's why we have mentioned cos 360 minus 3b as cos 3b, cos 360 plus 3b also as cos 3b. Thereafter in the next line, what we will do is, here is cos 3b, here is also cos 3b. We'll add them up. So what will we get? We will get 2 cos 3b. So let's go to next line. In next line, we have everything copied, same to same. Just at last we have mentioned 2 cos 3b. Am I clear? And thereafter, in the next line, here is cos 120 degree, and we know cos 120 degrees is minus 1 over 2. Similarly, here is sin 120 degree. Sin 120 degree is root 3 over 2. So we'll apply the values. Are we clear? So in the next line, simply we have kept the values. Cos 120 degree is minus 1 over 2 and sin 120 degrees is root 3 over 2. Same thing over here and over here. The last term copied as it is. So in the next line, what do you think we will do? We will simply do some simplification. So this 1 by 4 and 3 cos b as it is. Now here is cos 3b and here is 2 cos 3b. We can add them up to write 3 cos 3b. Can we? Okay. Thereafter, this plus 3 as it is. Now within the bracket, what we will do is, we'll just simplify slightly. These copied as it is. Now this root 3 over 2 sin b will keep arranging, and then here we will open the bracket. So plus minus is minus, minus 1 over 2 cos b, again plus minus is minus, so it is root 3 over 2 sin b. Is this clear? Okay, very good. Now in next line, what we can do is, you can check over here, root 3 over sin b, root 3 over 2 sin b, and here is also root 3 over 2 sin b. We can cancel them, isn't that? So we have cancelled, and ultimately we are left with this, and here we are left with minus 1 over 2 cos b, and here minus 1 over 2 cos b. So now what we can do is, we can take this minus and minus common. Can we? Okay, so on taking minus common, what do we get? This plus will become minus ultimately, and inside bracket we have 1 by 2 cos b plus 1 by 2 cos b, and the first two terms are copied as they are. Now we know 1 by 2 cos b plus 1 by 2 cos b is simply cos b, and that cos b will multiply 3, isn't that? So what will we get? We'll get 3 cos b. The first two terms are copied as they are. Is this clear? Okay, now here we have 3 cos b. Here is also 3 cos b. Will they cancel? Of course they will cancel. So once they are cancelled, then what are we left with? We are left with 3 cos 3b, isn't that? And that 3 cos 3b will multiply 1 over 4 to get 3 by 4 cos 3b, which is equal to right hand side proved. I hope you understood this now. So at last, I request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you.